one of the more recent scholars, Ibn Ashur, which is well-known Maliki scholar from Tunisia, who passed away in 1973. May Allah have mercy on his soul. He kind of brings a more nuanced, more updated approach to this, to the objectives of Al-Wahy, by putting it in these five, and we can see some of these points really overlap with the five, with the three functions of money. So he focuses on, the Sharia wants to make sure that we protect the value of money, so it does not lose purchasing power. It cares about clearly defining ownership of a currency and clearly avoiding overlapping and disputes in the ownership of money and wealth in general. And then it emphasizes circulation and growth and emphasizes fairness. So these are the five elements that Ibn Ashur focuses on.